So, while you're on sofa time dreaming about all of the cool stuff, I took the coach in to. Where am I? I can't remember. Shit! PG Kern here, What's the Correct Media, reporting live from Omagh with today's current events, where it's a tale of two currents. Magical town, I tell ya. Many swildering currents on this bridge, probably as old as half of the town itself, I'd say. 7.5 ton maximum, so if you got your camper van, don't go over it. Be respectful to the town, please. This is my spot, where my people, all my ably impaired people. Oh Jesus, there's a dude, regular person on his regular walking, eh? It's like some kind of fairy tale scene, I tell you. Look at that. Magnifico. No noise on my journeys around Omagh. That's why I came up here, to investigate this strange humming noise that doesn't seem to be here at all. It's relatively quiet where I am, except for the traffic. Anyways, I'll keep investigating. It's a parrot wearing sunglasses. Today on Almost One Meal One Day, I am having some delicious liver and soft cheese pate with salad and yesterday's rice and chicken. Yeah! Whoop whoop! And I am dining al fresco along the beautiful streets of Omagh. I keep forgetting the name of it. Why? I don't know. Look at all these people. I've been asking around about the buzz up here, this noise. Nobody's goddamn heard it. Well, one person heard it, feckin' during the summer, but as yet, no live witnesses of a recent noise making. Oh yeah. Look at it. Pate, green stuff, soft cheese, loads of butter, and bread. Cripple finger. Frank and Nana's coffee, and yesterday's dinner in Omagh. Zoom in. Yeah, S&G, whatever they do. I tell you, excuse me, I should do like a scooter tourism at night, because I tell you now, this camera is not doing it any justice, but this is mega. It's way more mysterious and magnificent. Here's stuff you can't see. Well, I can. I've taken a wrong turn. Well, there's no such thing as taking a wrong turn. off taking my turn. There's a wall right there. There's some still waters, reflections. Ooh ah! There's a bridge over there. Town light. I was gonna say candlelight, but it's not candlelight. It's town light. Ooh ah! Look, let's light up the way. Anyways, here in Omagh, wonderful place. Jesus, that chip shop was just there. Anyways, I sat next to it. I let the smell tingle my taste buds while I ate a roll with liver pate and soft cheeses and some salad. Saving my batteries. Anyways, look at that. In the shadows. Dun, dun, dun. Anyways, what was I saying? A wonderful town with mystery and intrigue, bridges and rivers that join together. I don't know if it's all one river or whatever, but anyways, it looked cool. The mysterious sound, I have yet to hear it. It supposedly comes on at 10 o'clock, between 10 and 12, and I may be out of the town at that stage. Oh, duck. Out of the town at that stage, who knows? Listen to that. Just like, what the fuck? Who decides these things? Who decides these things? What the shit even is this? These are like slopey steps? Anyways, that is not for me. Turn back, turn back. Turning back over the bridge. The scooter's good, but I don't think it can survive that. Look at that. Whoa. Oh shit, that's people. Well, PJ Kern here, What's the Crack Media, scaring myself in the pitch black. I think I took a wrong turn. Dun, 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 dun.